Saran rail rotors, because you have to use, because it's a Saran rail, so. What the fuck, man? Yeah. Saturday one. Welcome back to the Righty View channel. This is V, your host, doing a short video on these 17-inch Supermoto. These really go to the Saran, but I found this kit on Grid Shift that allows you to install them on the Talaria. It comes with this this adapter for the rotor, and these axle adapter. It's 2 of them. It was about like 60 bucks plus tax, shipping, or whatever. Should be a simple install. I already swapped the sprocket out from the Talaria. This is the stock sprocket. I already swapped that over. And this also, you have to use the Saran rotor. You have to use the Saran rotor because the bolt pattern for the rotor is different. It's a different bolt pattern. That's on the Talaria. So you have to use the Saran rotor for this process, and you're gonna need the spacer right here. You could also use a bunch of washers if you figure, but Grid Shift has this spacer. So let's see, I'll take that off in a sec. And yeah, wow, I didn't realize the damage was so extensive. Holy crap. Wow. I was riding the other day and I heard this crackling sound. I didn't know what it was. I ended up coming back. I thought the motor was messing up or something. But anyway, it ended up being the screws that holds the rotor in place backed out. They made a serious groove in this. I have to get another one. Just came out, just got finished putting these Supermoto wheels on. These Supermoto 17-inch wheel sets on. And yeah, these things are hella smooth. I feel like the bike can just glide now. Ooh. Feel like I could lean for days. It's a beautiful day out here, so what is it, about 65 degrees? About 65 degrees in Mount Vernon. Hella windy though. Heading into the X. My little mirror right there. Oh yeah, I see it now. Yeah, these 17 Supermoto wheel sets is hella smooth. I can't believe it. That much difference. Gonna be hitting the trail next week, so I gotta switch out. And yeah, these are the this wheel set. Well, the front wheel don't really matter, but the back wheel is. Huh? What?
Staying at the bike, yo.
Nah. Yeah. In these wheel sets, well, the front wheel don't really matter, but the rear wheel is for the Saran. And like I said, I got a little kit from Grid Shift. Yeah, I got a kit from Grid Shift. It was like $60-something, and it's like the spaces are different in the Talaria. Whoa. spaces are different than the Talaria. It might be a little bit wider, and then there's also a spacer for the for the disc. Maybe 4 or 5 millimeters thick. And I'm also using the surround rail rotors, because you have to use, because it's a surround rail, so what the fuck, man? Man, I don't know if y'all seen what nearly happened just now. It is crazy riding in this. Yo, that guy back there didn't want to stop at the stop sign. This guy, he don't know. I'm on the side of him, so I couldn't see if he had signals on or anything like that. That's crazy. But these brakes work like a motherfucker, even though I wasn't going fast. I wasn't going fast, so. But that's crazy right there. That is crazy. That was almost ugly. That was almost so ugly that I thought I hit. I thought I hit son, and he stops too. I don't know if it was better for him to stop or to keep going. The other car back there, instead of him keep going, I had to speed up because now he slowed down next to me. Yo, these people is crazy. These people is crazy right now. It's dangerous riding a bike in New York, yo. It is dangerous riding a bike in New York. That's crazy right there. I'm gonna go straight across. I'm getting off Boston. I don't feel like going up Boston. I'm gonna sneak through the back. Yo, what's going on today? It's a nice day. Everybody in a rush. This epitomizes rush hour today. Everybody losing their mind. They want to get where they're going.
If you're going straight and he see that, why the fuck would he turn?
I'm on the side.
He just don't got no patience.
He might have not seen me, and then I can't see if he's turning or not. I'm trying to get him the benefit of the doubt too, because I know in a bike it's hard. Wow. You gotta be careful on the bike. You disappear real quick behind them folks. Word up, man. Yeah, these joints is hella smooth, man. Woo. Street tires is hella smooth. So it'd be a lot of glass right here.
Oh shit.
You don't notice that?
It's like somebody doing that shit on purpose.
Sound like why is it always?
They're trying to make somebody catch on flat.
There's always a lot of glass and shit. Always. Gotta sweep that shit up one day.
Who go there?
That's how we get greeted now.
No, son.
Yeah, these tires are hella smooth, dude. Totally smooth out the ride, y'all. Yeah,
What's your ass?
that's my man. That's
Always slippery right there. Cause they throwing armor on.
yeah. Should have went up there. I meant to go up there one. Huh? Yeah, I wonder. You want to go over there?
Yeah.
Go it up. Huh?
More time direction that way.